We were led through the market, down narrow alleyways towards the sea, and the deeper we walked, the more the air changed. Salt, diesel, rotting fish, smoke from charcoal fires, and the sweet sour smell of rubbish baking in the heat. People noticed us, conversations paused, heads turned. The market pulsed with energy. Fish slapped onto wooden tables, knives flashed, women bargained, men shouted over one another. Porters weaved through impossible gaps carrying baskets that looked far too heavy for one person. It was frantic. The smiles you'd hoped for never came, only long, silent stares. The kind that make you immediately aware you don't belong. But we kept walking, until the market suddenly opened up into the wharf. Dozens and dozens of wooden fishing canoes stretched across the shoreline, some arriving, some leaving, some swallowed by crowds unloading the catch. Chaotic. I unpacked the drone. As it lifted in the air, I noticed people gathering around us. The circle tightened. It became aggressive. They're spies. They're working for the Chinese. It sounded ridiculous. But we had to explain that we were filmmakers. You see, for years industrial Chinese trawlers have worked these waters, dragging nets so enormous they scrape the sea clean and swallow everything in their path, leaving little behind for the local fishermen. Standing there surrounded by suspicious faces, it became impossible to blame them. To them, we weren't filmmakers. We were just the latest outsiders arriving with cameras. And history had taught them that outsiders rarely come without taking something away.